I feel like there's a lot of confusion around having a mentor. A mentor is somebody that has what you want in a particular area of life. I don't have the same mentor at the gym as I do in business. I don't have the same mentor in my spiritual world as I do in my relationships. Because there's a lot of people out there, they've got it all figured out in their relationship, but they're struggling financially. Or they've got it all figured out financially, but they're struggling in their relationship. So you have to find a mentor that has what you want in that particular area that you're chasing. And then all you do is you're picking their brain. You're getting advice from them to see how you can shorten the learning curve. You're either going to figure things out in life through trial and error, taking the time, failing forward, or you pick up the phone, you call your mentor and you say, hey, here's the situation I'm in. Can you tell me what you would do if you were where I'm at right now? And likely the odds are they've been exactly where you're at, so they can tell you exactly what to do, so you don't have to spend all the time making the mistakes that they made.